All right, so for this demo, we are going to cover how to receive incoming calls with translation enabled. So the first thing you're going to want to do is be on a paid plan. All of our paid plans offer dedicated numbers, and that is what you'll need in order to get calls forwarded to your TalkTool dashboard or to your existing business number. Once you're on a paid plan, you'll want to go over to My Numbers, and you'll want to go to Add Number. Select the number in your area code. If we don't have coverage in your area code, then you can find coverage in a neighboring area code. You have great coverage across the entire US. So you'll assign yourself a number, and once you press that assign button, you'll end up here on this call routing page. You'll be able to find that number that you just assigned yourself in the top right hand corner. You can copy it and post it on your Google business profile, your website, and your business cards. You'll want to give your number a nickname. For this example, this will be East Dental Spanish. You'll want to select your language, which is the language you speak, so we can translate the caller's words and sentences into your language for you. Then you'll want to set up your forwarding number. This is the number where we'll forward translated calls to. And then you'll want to determine how we detect the caller's language and connect them to you. So you have a few options here, but I'll cover the two most popular options. The first is going to be this IVR menu selection where callers can choose their language. So you can say for Spanish, press 1, for French, press 2, for Mandarin, press 3. You'll generate the audio and then have that played back to you. This will be in each language, so it won't be in English. And then you'll just select save. The other option is you can have a one language auto connect. So every caller on this number speaks the same language. The calls connect instantly with translation, so there's no menu needed. For this example, I'll use Spanish. So this will be your Spanish number. Now, whenever someone calls this number, they will be automatically forwarded to your business number, which would be your customer service number, your front desk, or whoever else you connect with customers. You do have other options on how you want to answer calls. Aside from forwarding to your business number, you can also answer the calls directly in your dashboard. For this demo, we'll just forward directly to our business number. You also want to choose how long you want the phone to ring for before we take over voicemail. What we want to avoid here is the customer leaving a voicemail in Spanish on your business voicemail, leaving you with no way to understand what they're saying or how to get back to them. So calls will ring for 20 seconds, but you can make the adjustment. But for this demo, we'll stay at 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, we'll take over the voicemail. All you have to do is type in a voicemail greeting, and we'll translate that to whichever language the caller speaks. We'll also translate the voicemail that the caller left behind. That way you'll get a summary and a transcription of that voicemail. Last but not least, you'll want to enable incoming calls here and press save. Now, whenever someone calls your 213 number, they'll be forwarded to your front desk with Spanish translation enabled. For any more questions or details, please contact us at contact@usetalktool.com. Again, that is contact@usetalktool.com.